Where's the monkey? Mm-hmm. Well, Kayla, stop messing with Sadie. What's this, Kay?
Giraffe.
Yeah, giraffe. What's that?
Fish.
Fish. What's that?
Dog.
Dog. What's that?
Cat.
Cat. What's that? What's that?
Duck.
Remember that one?
Bug.
Bug, a ladybug. What's that?
Bird.
Bird.
Hello.
And they say hello. What's that?
Lion.
Lion. Do you remember this one? You just learned that one.
Yeah.
Otter. Otter. What's that?
Frog.
Frog. What's that?
Bear.
Bear. Oh yeah, what does a frog say, Kayla?
With it.
What does a bear say?
Wow.
What's that?
Bird.
Bird.
Hello.
Hello. What's this?
Spider.
The itsy spider. What about that one?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Do you know this one?
Mosquito.
Turtle. Do you remember this one?
Bat.
Fox. Do you know this one?
Elephant.
Elephant. What's this?
Pig.
Pig. What's this?
Flowers.
Flowers. Do you see the animal on the flower? A bee is on those flowers. What does a bee say?
Bee.
Oh yeah, what does a pig say? Do you know this one? I don't think you know this one yet.
Yeah.
Dragonfly. What's this? Oh, you gonna drink your apple? Do you know this animal?
Nice.
Mouse, yeah. What's this one? Silly girl. You all done?
Hello.
What?
Apple.
Apple? Want some more?
No.
More, please? I'm not putting it in your cup, you silly goose. Is it yummy? What are you doing? You look sleepy. You ready to go night-night?
No.
No. Do you know what this one is?
Deer.
This one?
Frog.
Not a frog. You're being silly.
Ooh, ah.
Where's the monkey? He's way down at the bottom somewhere.
Ooh, ah.
Mm-hmm. There's that monkey.